One of the many intriguing facets of hand tool woodworking is that many times the tools themselves were perfected centuries ago, and little has changed about how they go about physically performing their task. In the case of a drill, that task is to cut a sized hole in your material, and that's done by rotating a sized bit into and through that material. In this video, we're going to take a look at some of the hand-powered options that Highland Woodworking has to offer for that task. The bit and brace dates back to 1425, as it was found in a painting by the Flemish artist Robert Campen. These tools underwent few changes from the 15th to the 19th century until the material changed from wood to metal, and the ability to use interchangeable bits was introduced as the standard. But woodworkers continue to use these hand-powered variants of the drill in their work. In fine work, faster is not always better, especially when it comes to drilling holes. For tasks like pinning tenons or rabbets or other dowel work, the auger bit and hand-powered brace offers complete control over speed and depth. The snail, or pointed screw on the end of the auger bit, bites into the wood as it turns and keeps the cutting edge of the auger tight against the material while the auger lifts waste from the hole. The point of the snail will protrude as the bit nears the end of the cut before the auger. This allows the precise reversal of direction of the drilling, working in from where the bit would normally exit, thus guaranteeing the elimination of tear-out in your hole. Drilling slowly means that small adjustments can be made to the angle when you're starting a hole, whereas with a powered drill, things happen pretty quickly and the angle can become committed too quickly. The pointed snail also allows for precision in placement of the hole, whereas standard bits and powered drills can wander around a bit. Highland offers two variants of the brace, as well as a host of sizes of auger bits. This 10-inch brace is an inexpensive one and it gets the job done. It has a 2-jaw chuck made to grip square-shanked bits, but can also grip round-shanked bits. It also has the ratcheting feature for when full revolutions of the brace aren't possible. The premium 10-inch brace is a top-quality brace made in France. This brace features a 3-jaw chuck for either square or round-shanked bits and also includes the ratchet feature. The fit and finish on the 10-inch premium brace is quite nice. Please do note that for long-term durability purposes, the manufacturer has chosen to use polymer handles rather than more traditional wood handles. Geared hand drills transfer their power from a vertical hand-cranked main gear to a horizontal pin gear, spinning on a shaft connected to a device that holds the bit. How many revolutions that bit makes per turn depends on the ratio of the main gear to the pinion. These hand drills are especially useful for drilling small-sized holes without damaging delicate drill points. The jaws on these hand drills are perfect for securely holding smaller bits that larger, powered drill chucks just can't grasp. They're also a great fit in kids' hands and are an excellent introductory tool for fun family projects. Hand drills are not singularly sized for delicate work. Highland Woodworking offers 3 sizes: a small, single-pinion hand drill for the small jobs, a medium hand drill with a larger crank for more leverage, and a heavy-duty double-pinion hand drill with an even larger crank handle, heavier crank, and larger capacity chuck. When a little more pressure is needed, the breast drill allows you to use both hands on the drill while applying pressure with your chest. A 2-position crank handle allows you to drill at 2 speeds, from about 5 revolutions per turn to 2 revolutions for added torque. A right angle side handle is reversible so you can crank with either hand. Hand drills require little maintenance but can be damaged by improper use, such as using the wrong drill bit or placing excess pressure on the tool. For optimum efficiency, periodically place a drop of light oil on the crank pinions and in the chuck gear. For these and other quality hand tools, be sure to check out highlandwoodworking.com.